Soli! 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 Wieder da vorne! Pupa! No, de ya no eres un poco.
Here's our Solly again, who we're so keen to find a home for because he's really friendly. Lovely big dog. His brother's leaving now. Now this dog has been with us since he was, I think, about 7 months old. That's when I first met them. They came from the public shelter together. They'd been somebody's dogs because they were just friendly from the outset, and they're lovely dogs. This is Solly loves Yawn. Solly absolutely looks for Yawn every day when he comes to the shelter. And then now his brother's leaving, has got a home. Oh, what have you found? Some sweeties or something? So here's our Solly, so handsome. Look how lovely he is. But he's just so friendly. Really nice lad. Really nice lad. He's looking for a wee bit of bread or something. He's going to have, look at this dog. So he's quite a big lad. Put your lipstick away. Nobody needs to see that now. Oh, look. Oh, looky. Look what's coming. Look, Solly. Look. Oh, yum. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, he said. Might be chilly in that. He said, I'll have your bread. No, don't want that either. Oh, maybe. I just want to lick you instead. I don't know if I want that meat. That's funny. Well, we might have the cheese, actually. You might want the cheese. The meat's maybe a wee bit spicy, is it? Hey, wee boy. Do you want some cheese? Too much going on. So this is our Solly. It's just a big, lumpy, loony dog, and wants to be somebody's boy, and deserves to be somebody's boy.